Chewy has continued its rally all the way now to $30 per share, which of course does not surprise me because I made several videos when it was only $15 to $17 per share, saying that it's a $40 to $60 per share stock, and that's why I was holding so much before I foolishly took profits a little over 20. I've just been hoping ever since then to have a dip to buy back into, which so far has not happened. I may just have to give in and buy back at a higher price, but I did buy a call yesterday that ran 1,000% in value today, which was nice. Today was also the third day in a week now that I day traded AMD. I missed the better 156 to 159 swing, but I did take a 30% gain from a call option on the 158 to 160 swing. When FFIE recently ran from 4 cents per share to $1.70 per share, I bought the 50-cent put option figuring it would crash again. It did crash all the way back to 50 cents, and yet my 50-cent put expired worthless anyway. So I decided not to rebuy the short, although it has continued to crash back to 20 cents now like I expected, but because of that I'm missing out. I already mentioned buying and then taking profits from Verizon and Ford, but if Ford drops back below 12 or Verizon below 40, I'll definitely rebuy them. A month or two ago, I mentioned loading up on Palantir at $21 to $22 per share. Then I took profits at 24. I also mentioned buying back in at 23 the other day. Now that it's around 25, I'm trying to decide whether to keep holding or just take profits now. My Hive and Intel calls have been up pretty nicely, but I just never sold them yet. But my Mara, Riot, and Bitfarms, I just recently started buying back into, so I'm ranging between down a little to up a little.